Hello everyone, welcome to my new videos. In this video, I will show you another problem tree. Its problem is the kth smallest element in BT in BST. So what is the BST? BST is a binary search tree. So let's start the read the question, then after I will show you approach. And along with we have to show that examples. So let's see first read the question. Given the root of binary tree and search tree, binary search tree and integer k, and return this kth element get the smallest value of all this value of node in tree. So in this problem is telling just like you are given the root of binary tree and k. What is a k? Why will you given k is just like a you have to finding that kth element of just a kth smallest element. You have to just like given this 2, you have 1, whatever given value of k. So you have to that level you print that print that the smallest value. So like a k is equal to 1. So you have to print the first element of uh, first smallest element of tree. So as it is, you can see the example. So it is a given the tree, and you can see the k is 1. So we have to finding the first smallest element. So what is the first smallest element? Is 1 is first smallest element. You have to be print that thing. Since that is it's like a binary order, you know that binary search tree is always keep that is it's like is root. It's like a left, and left side element is always follow this rule. Just like a left side element is always keep that uh, keep that smallest element as the right side element. Is always the lower element of right side element. So we have to not care about this right side element. Right side is always the highest values. So only for we have to focus only for left side element. Just like we have to start the traversing here. So when is it become a 1? So it will become a k is equal to 1. So check k is equal to 1. Yes. See, I will use a counter for the counting. How many left side roots, left side, it's like how many components existing in the left side. So 1, 2. So it's the first. So finding yes, k, c is equal to k, and go and print that value. As it is, we have to show that another example. So like you can see this example. So in this example, you can see given the tree and k is 3. So what is the kth element? Just like what is the third element? Third smallest element of given tree. So it's like it is the first element. We have to skip that. The second element we have to skip that. Yes, it is a third element. It's a third level of that element. So you have to print. So 3 will be print because 3 is the third element of the smallest element of 3. So let's see. So what is the? I hope you understood the questions. Let's start to solve the problem. So I first erase this thing, then after move. So in this problem, I will use this in-order traverser. You know that in-order traverser is like a left, root, and right. So that's like because when is the left is it become a null. So skip that thing and just start this only for iterating on root element. So it will be here is a root. Root area will not satisfy that condition, so it will be left that things into 1 not we have to 2 not we have to 3. 3 is yes. Will be keep is just like only for keep that values. So let's see start to solve this problem. So I will be declare the one variable count. So it will be count that how many uh, in how many just like levels exist on left side. So it will be counting, and after that answer I will be use the answer values. That is only for keep that answer values. So now just like it currently when is no any things existing, just like is 0, it will keep that thing inside the answer, and I will make a one function that give the name of function. That whatever you want to keep the name, just keep it here. I'll just hit the result, and after that I will be first check it. The root is null, so it returns here. After that, start the iterating. So I will call that res with updated value left side. So left, when is left existing? Go and count plus plus. So that check it. What I have to check? Just count when it become a k. Just like this, you know that is recursive how is working. Just like start the counting. So it will comes here. C, like a C comes here. Says count is become a 1 because starting point is like a this time is start this recursive. Recursive start the calling continuous. When is the start the counting is comes here, and comes here. So values become a null. So it will be updated is values. When is start this stack. So it will be counting. See, here is a comes is find this null. So it starts this value. It become a it's like a it's become a stack. This 1, 2, and 3. Yes, it's become a this types of stack. And when is move here, so it's become a 1. When it move here, so it become a 2. And it's like as it is when it's become a just like a starts in null. It's become a when is null, so skip and it's become a 1. It's become a when is skip and that become a 2, and when is become a 3. So it will when it become a 3, so it will be indicate of that elements and go, and when is find it it is become a just like a 3. So after that I will be go and root value answer equal to root. What is the root value? It will be assigned in this. And after that there is a not need, but with the processor res root dot write. After that we have to go first call it res with updated value, just like with root, and finally we have to print return answer. You can see it's fine, it's running. So let's see it will submitting or not. You can see it's submitting now. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any problem, so please leave the message for particular this problem. I don't think you have a problem with this code. Yes. Let's see. I think you don't be a problem with this code. This code. If you have any problem, so please leave the message in description box, and please suggest to me which problems you have to facing problem you are facing now. If you have any types of message you give me, so it will motivate for me to make the videos. Thank you watching my videos. So we will meet in next video. Thank you once again.